you have any comments about Amber Heard?
Any comment on that?
My parents have always been really protective. They've just always kind of shielded my brother and I from like all things kind of spotlight and things like that so we could grow up as normally as we could, and so I really appreciate that.
To say the public's attention and interest has been piqued since the onset of the Depp versus Heard trial began is putting it lightly. But one person who has avoided being entangled in the drama all this time is finally taking a stand, and that is Depp's daughter, Lily-Rose Depp. It appears as though Lily-Rose is breaking her silence about her father's troubles with his ex-wife, Amber Heard, and she is not happy with Heard's allegations. So what has Lily-Rose Depp got to say about her father's continuous troubled situation? And why is she against Heard mentioning her name in the ongoing trial? While testifying in court just recently, Heard didn't just speak on her relationship with her previous husband, but also touched on what the public assumes is a very sore subject for Johnny Depp, his children. Amber testified that while she was with Depp, she felt protective of his daughter Lily-Rose and fought the actor over what she felt was questionable parenting on his part. Heard's testimony was in response to a recording that was played in court by Depp's attorneys, where she appeared to be having a hysterical tantrum while also seemingly refusing Depp to leave for his other house so as to go visit with his daughter. The 36-year-old Heard, however, claimed that during her marriage to Depp, she felt very protective of his daughter Lily-Rose, so much so that the said argument with the Fantastic Beasts actor was for allowing an unnamed older musician his then 14-year-old teen daughter had a crush on to sleep over at their house, despite the musical star being well over 18 years old and Lily-Rose being underage. This argument happened because I didn't agree that this gentleman, a famous musician over the age of 18, spend the night at the house, and I felt protective over Lily-Rose and concerned, and naturally, they were not my children. It's not my place, and I understand it. I know it's a sensitive subject, so I understand why Johnny got so upset with me, Heard claims. Maintaining her account of what transpired between her and Depp, the Aquaman actress said that it was moments like this and the fact that Johnny was the one who introduced Lily-Rose, now 22, to marijuana as early as the age of 14 that made her begin to feel protective over her. I started to feel very protective. Johnny's sobriety meant that he was there and then he wasn't, she said. The nature of her lives with the travel and the work meant he was there and then he wasn't. She was so young, I just felt protective. Although Depp has not publicly responded to any of Heard's claims about his method of parenting, it's safe to assume that Heard's statements were very much ill-received, and some Depp fans did not hesitate to express their displeasure at the actress. Keep his kids out of it. Johnny wouldn't want his kids involved. It's a shame Amber brought up Johnny Depp's kids during her testimony, knowing that Depp would never have them testify. Depp is notorious for being very private and spent decades shielding his kids from the gossip pages, one Twitter fan surmised. His face when she was bringing them up, poor guy, another sympathetic fan wrote. I'll say it again, Amber Heard's jealousy of Lily-Rose Depp is scary, one supporter even said. Some other fans even theorized that Heard picking an issue with Johnny and his children may be deeper than meets the eye. It's all about daddy issues. Amber had a bad relationship with her dad, so she required Johnny to fill his shoes and give her the love and attention her dad didn't. Poor Johnny didn't have a chance, someone expressed. I think it all comes down to the fact that Johnny Depp would never love Amber Heard as much as he loves Lily-Rose Depp, said another. Even though Lily-Rose hasn't publicly responded much to her father's woes with Heard, the grapevine has it on good record that there is no love lost between Heard and Depp's daughter, as Lily-Rose never approved of the relationship, which may be the reason why the young entertainer has chosen to distance herself from the suit. A fan even sarcastically pointed out that Heard's claims are nothing but lies, seeing as Lily-Rose was absent at her father's nuptials, with the Aquaman star saying, "She took such good care of his daughter, she didn't even bother to attend their wedding." Although at the time of this report, neither Lily-Rose nor any member of her team have responded to Heard's recent claims, the model hasn't always been laid back in support of her father. In the wake of the domestic violence allegations Heard pinned against Depp in 2016, Depp's daughter gave her father quite the public support when she posted a picture of herself as a toddler being held up by her famous father while captioning the lovely photo, "My dad is the sweetest, most loving person I know. He's been nothing but a wonderful father to my little brother and I, and everyone who knows him would say the same." sad to see that just like her father's, 22-year-old Lily-Rose Depp's reputation is being threatened and her morals called into question, and it's all as a result of Amber's revealing testimony. Do you think Amber was wrong to mention Depp's children in her testimony? Let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you like this video, make sure to check out Amber Heard fakes being scared of Johnny Depp in court. Thanks for watching.